Samsung's new foldables are just a couple of weeks away from launch, and the leaks just keep coming. New live images of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 have just hit the web, along with a report claiming that both Fold 5 and Flip 5 will have a higher price tag. Foldable phones are not cheap, and there's not much progress being made on actually bringing down those prices in a meaningful way. And if a new rumor is to be believed, things will be moving in the opposite direction this year. DLNs reports that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 will both see a higher price tag this year, at least in France and for the base model. The prices land as follows. Galaxy Z Flip 5 256 gigs version will cost €1,199. 512 gigs version will cost €1,339. Galaxy Z Fold 5 256 gigabytes. 256 gigs version will cost €1,899. 512 gigs version will cost €2,039. 1 TB version will cost €2,279. Samsung's prices tend to vary by region, but these prices represent a jump of roughly €100. Fold 4 started at €1,799, while Flip 4 was €1,109 in the country at launch. If we could expect a similar price jump in the United States, the Fold 5 and Flip 5 would be $1,899 and $1,099, respectively. A higher price tag would certainly be an interesting look for Samsung, given the heightened competition we're seeing in the 2023 foldable market in key markets like the United States. Plus, there's the fact that outside of the Flip 5's new outer display, there's virtually nothing new on these updated foldables. Also yesterday, a Reddit thread posted this week offers a fresh look at the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in black in real-life images. The live images aren't the first we've seen to date, but they offer a solid look at the hardware from multiple angles. We can see Samsung's new gapless hinge clearly, as well as the overall design, which is essentially unchanged from the Fold 4 outside of the hinge. One photo also shows the inner display complete with an under-display selfie camera that also looks basically unchanged from the prior model. Ahead of the July 26 launch event, Samsung has reservations open now with a $50 credit when you pre-order the device. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.